Welcome to the Paint So Perfect Let's Paint together. Hi everyone, today, a super cute little ant is exploring a magical garden, looking for sweet treats and inviting all the little artists to join the adventure. Let's draw and color this adorable little friend with its bright purple face, big curious eyes, and a happy, sweet smile. Choose cheerful rainbow colors like sunny yellow, bright red, and vibrant green to color its body segments and tiny little legs. Every beautiful stroke you add will bring this hardworking little crawler to life and turn your page into a wonderful fairy tale world. If you enjoyed coloring this adorable little ant, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.